Write down the quantum numbers n, l, and m for the following orbitals. First of all, we should know what are the quantum numbers. Quantum numbers represent an electron, or it gives the address of the electron, where the electron belongs to, or from which orbital in an atom. In an atom, there are a nucleus, and surrounding it some cell are there. Okay, orbit or cell are there, and in each cell there are some orbitals. So the cell represents, n represents the cell number, and this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this designation is K, L, M, N respectively. And for each cell there is a azimuthal quantum number. Okay, so first is principal quantum number, which is represented by n. Then azimuthal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number is L. It values starts from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so for n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. For n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, 1. For n is equal to 3, L is equal to 0, 1, 2, like this. And their representation as, for L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. This is 0. For 0 this is S. For 1 P. For 2 it's D. For 3 it is F. And then like the alphabetical order F, G. For 5 this is H, like this. Okay, so these are the azimuthal quantum number. From azimuthal quantum number we know the subcell. Okay, so principal quantum number represents the cell, azimuthal quantum number represents the subcell. Then magnetic quantum number. Then magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number can be represented by M simply, or it can be represented by ml. Okay, and its values is from minus L to plus L. For L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0. For L is equal to 1, M is equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1. For L is equal to 2, M is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2, like this. Hence, for M is equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1, what is the designation for it? This is represent the orbital. For L is equal to 0, M is 1 and that's value is 0. So L is equal to 0 means this is S orbital, this is P and this is D orbital, right? Okay. So for S orbital, if I say this is S orbital, then its value, M value is 0 or ML value, magnetic quantum value is 0. And this is for P orbital. For P orbital, L is equal to, here is L is equal to 1 and the ML value is, magnetic quantum number value is -1, 0, +1. So here is a question, which is -1, which is 0 and which is +1. There are 3 orbitals of P, Px, Py and Pz. Px, Py and Pz. So by convention, Px has value +1, Py has value -1, for Pz it is 0. This is the value of ml. For Px, ml value is +1. For Py, this is -1. For Pz, this is 0. This is by convention. You have to remember it. Okay. Then, like this, for d orbital, by convention, for d orbital means L is equal to 2, then it will be d orbital. That means for d orbital, ml value or magnetic quantum number value are -1, -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Hence here this is d orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 orbital are there. What are they? The name are d xy, d yz, d zx, d zx, then dx square minus y square and dz square. By convention, the ml value for them, ml or m value for them are, for dxy this is -2, for dx square minus y square this is +2, for z square this is 0, for yz this is, for xz this is +1 and for yz this is -1. Okay. Then comes to, so you have to remember these values. Then comes to the question. Now we can easily answer the question. So first one is 3d x square minus y square. So what is the n value for it? N value means principal quantum number or the cell value. Okay. So here for 3d square means the n is equal to 3. This represents the n value. Okay. The first digit always represent the n value. For 4d square n is equal to 4. For here is n is equal to 3. Simply the digit it is shown, that is the principal quantum number or the n value. Here is it is n is equal to 2. Then comes to L value. L is here D. So SPDF, SPDF 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is D. For D it is 2. L is equal to 2. For here L is equal to 2. Here L is equal to 2. Here L is equal to 2. Here L is equal to P, 1. Here is P. For P this is 1. N is equal to here 3. L is equal to P, then 1. Hence we got the L value. Now comes to M value. M or ML? M. For x square minus y square, this is plus 2. For z square, this is 0. For xy, this is minus 2. For xz, this is xz or zx, this is same. This is plus 1. For 2pz, this is 0. For px, this is plus 1. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any similar type of question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.